So this is a collective healing. So yes, then it's not only we that will manipulate this healing, but I think we both together do this healing. So what we will do is we have to connect to the angels of the Supreme Light. Let us use this gesture, dahil yung video gesture. So let us connect, let us feel our energy at the solar center. Then a little bit inhale deeply.
Inhale now.
Then relax. And move your right arm to the skies. Then just connect to the angels of the Supreme Light. Open up your heart, open up your mind. And stretch up your joints. At this point, the angels of Supreme Light are connecting us. Then move it back to your solar center. Your left hand. Relax. Perceive the energy back to your solar center. Okay, so all the people connecting with this divine healing transmission, right palm connect to the angels of the Supreme Light. Through the Nordium Bursicam Spiritual Healing Division of the Supreme Light, we are requesting the divine healing for all the people connecting with this divine healing transmission, that they will be healed from their own illnesses, that problems will be solved. Perceive the energy. The angels of the Supreme Light are sending us this energy. Inhale deeply while the angels of the Supreme Light are sending us healing energies. Then your left palm, scan to the particular part of your body having illness, while the right arm are connected to the angels of the Supreme Light. Back to the solar center. Okay, it's done. Dahil lang, kadali.
So, ang ginawa natin, tayo tapos habang yung ating pagkatapos, binalik natin pinasulit natin yung kaliwa. Tapos parang binalik natin ulit. Pagkatapos ikinasulit ang kanan at tinapat yung kaliwa doon sa kusang lugar na meron kang illness o sakit. So, ito ba ay nakakagamot ng kahit anong sakit?
Yes, definitely. Based on the actual experience of the people. So, I would like also to add this, that the healing of these angels of Supreme Light is not just necessarily the illnesses that common people experience, but as well as also the negative karmic colors. The illness that having karmic by origin. So what is that kind of illness having karma? So that cannot be healed by material medicine. So it is nature that can heal. So, when I speak about nature, the nature of spiritual connection through the angels of the Supreme Light.
Okay. Itong mga, balikan natin itong angels of Supreme Light. Diba sinabing nakaka-connect din sila sa Ascended Masters?
Yes. This is the hierarchy of the I would say from the angels of the supreme light, they have the ascended masters. But before I speak of ascended masters, they were descended masters. Their mission, they descend in the third dimension to guide to the people. And after that, they ascended, just like Christ illustrated in the Bible. He died, then he resurrected, then ascended into the heavens.
Kaya nga sa may dasal yun, he descended.
Yeah, ascended.
Ascended into heaven.
This connection of the angels of the supreme light have essential connection with the ascended masters. Only that the people do not understand the message of this spiritual universal awakening. So, the universal spiritual awakening that these angels are sending to us is realization and the remembering of the precise ultimate connection with the ultimate source. So that's why when I speak of ascended masters, we know names of ascended masters and their spiritual name. That's why during the time that you are alone, then you want to communicate, you can communicate.
Sino mga ascended masters ang kanilang kinakausap? Tulad ni?
Marami mga tao, believers of Saint Germain. But then, Saint Germain was known by spiritual name.
Ano kanyang spiritual na pangalan?
We have this name, Ilagslar Imarskar, so that pertains to the higher beings, pertaining to the connection of Saint Germain. There was also the Christ, pertaining to that same connection. So that was also the reason, pag doon ako sa Cebu, I met people from the different religions group, and they try to challenge the integrity of the information. So, especially when I said Christ and that name is just one. Although they are known into dalawa sila, but they are just one. Only, that's like for example, Akarastan was known as Christ, Jesus Christ. So, yung super light, supreme governance of the infinite. So, second, his other connected body would be Christ. But Christ was known by different names, so many names. Even in the narration of the Bible, he was named as Jesus Christ. He was known as Jesus Christ before. In the 5th century, before Christ, he was known as Horus, parallel story. And then there is also another story, parallel with that story. The God Mitras. So, but in short, so many names we even know. But the messages now are very confusing. So the message is we get back to the basic. So realize in the actual connection by opening up your divine connection wherein you can talk to the true ascended masters.
Okay.
That you are not only talking to the souls in the astral dimensions pretending to be an ascended master. Because
ikaw ba ay napagsabihan na baka ikaw ay isang kulto?
so many. That's why some of my friends that joined the activities, they said, when they tried the activities, they said, call to ito, but not kulto. Because we are an art and science. So we have the teaching, precise teaching. So that's why I said to the people doing speculation, just try to personally experience. Then we have the art, actual, physical exercise. So the Christians say we have an art.
Okay.
We are not deluding the people. We are not pretending the people that we have this. Then, in truth, we have nothing to share.
Okay, so itong pagtawag naman ng spirits, itong ginawa mo kanina, meron ka bang special na ginagawa para lang tawagin sila?
Ritual?
Oo, ritual or gesture?
Wala. Just play with the Art of Life 172. Just play the Art of Life 172.
So, yung gesture na yun, yung ginagagawin mo para pagtawag sa kanila?
So, that is one of the system. Because There are 72 lessons of the Art of Life 172. That is why we call it Art of Life 172. The first lesson is called Archon.
Ano yun?
So, in the site, they do the exercise of the art up to 10th lesson. So that will comprise 1 hour. So in that 1 hour, they can see light shift from coming from the different directions and going into the different directions. But there is also why the people around the world, they can see many sightings. But with that sightings, but hindi lang siya permanent. Walang specific time that they can see the sightings. But itong atin, so long as hindi cloudy, they can really see light shift 100% without failure. That's why I was, that is why also the reason we are confident, I am confident to invite the people, if they are interested, to make an educational study, then make their own conclusion. Because if they believe directly to what I say, for me it is true, because I am speaking with the voice of, I am speaking their message. But for the people to have realization, they must have actual and personal experience.
Okay. So, ang pagkuha ba ng mensahe sa mga Angels of Light ships na ito, kaya mong kumuha ng mensahe kahit ngayon?
This now what I'm talking, other transmission. Other transmission. That's why, during, kasi na-mention natin 2012, then there were so many channels talking about 2012, the Mayan prophecy of the world. But the message of the Afghanistan, that will never happen. That will never happen. But there is the process of ascending. So now the planet is ascending its energy. This is the message. The planet is ascending its energy. And together with this ascension, must also the people will expand their energy so that they can ascend life also together with the planet. So there is the process. So that means to say, if we said the end of the world, that means to say we are speculating. But if we say it is the will of the heavens, then there is the guidance given to us that we can arrange life for that final event.
Okay. So, kung halimbawa meron silang, halimbawa, sinabi mo nga, yung energies ay dumiretso sa akin. So, anong mensahe nila?
You will know that. Because ito, tayo lahat, we have different functions. My functions is to share the angels' light contacts and connection. That's why people are criticizing us. Some people tinawag na kulto yan. So they jump into the direct conclusion, kulto yan. But we are not kulto. In fact, we are sociable in the activities. We do exercise. And ang mga tao naka-experience. So, wala nang kulto-kulto. Because we do not change the mind of the people to just believe us. But we are inspiring the people to expand the realization. So, they themselves will be the one to cause their change.
Okay. So, isa ba sa mga teachings nila na ang mga mensahe ay tungkol sa pag-ibig?
Yes, but we are not teaching about in this revelations of the angels of Supreme Love, Supreme Light. Supreme Light. The message is the activation of the heart wisdom, because everybody now in the world is familiar with love. But then the more people that learn love, the more hatred, the more division. Why? Because people will discern love according to what they feel. So that means to say according to what they feel in the human feelings.
So may mali.
May mali, because always the human heart will be driven out with negative ego. But when it comes to the divine heart that pertains to the heart wisdom, meaning we are activated with the highest consciousness of the advanced universe or the supreme light. So we are working with the light of the wisdom, with the ultimate source, activation of the heart wisdom. Then the people will discern that the true love or divine love can be only attained by a person by the activation of the heart wisdom. So that's why it is also the message the realization of the people to the true love, to the life and nature of the Divine Mother of the planet.
Dun sa gusto ko rin tingnan, masasabi mo na ang na-activate yung discernment, yun ang hinahanap ng word ko yun. Yung discernment mo sa tao. Okay. Since ito ang art of life na ito, syempre, when you do, it's a part of meditation din, no?
Yes,
it's a form of meditation. So, natural na bubukas ang spiritual energies mo. At saka yung psychic abilities mo. Nabubuksan siya, sharpen ka. Diba?
Yes.
So, isa sa sasabi mo nga is, nalalaman mo kung ano nangyari. O, pag tinignan mo ang isang tao, nakikita mo kung ano rin ang pagkatao. Nakikita mo more or less na ito ba ay fit. So, sa mga miyembro mo, sa mga sumasama sa iyo, nakikita mo ba sila na kuha sila sa layunin ng iyong grupo?
Definitely.
So, bagay, kasi hindi malalapit sa iyo kung
but to say, when it comes to what nature of the heart, that can be clearly perceivable. So there are feelings of the heart that the heart is really paining deep inside. Why? Because the negative vibration attacking the heart center. So that's why I talk about shielding. Because love is always the best answer for everything, I think. Because in every problem, in every failure, that's because we feel what we feel basically from the heart.
Okay.
So when it comes to the heart wisdom, it's different. That's why so many relationships broke up. That's because of the
masyado
activation. So
ano dapat ibabalanse dyan?
It should be the activation of all the connected bodies.
So dapat balance.
So when you are partly activated, so your feeling will always variable, will always depend on your activation. So if the carnal side is overwhelming, so your emotion also pertaining to the carnal activities. But when it comes to the carnal activities, then this one is carnal, then the other one is spiritual, so that will not align. So that will be definitely negative or positive.
So, ibig sabihin sa kanyang lahat ng kasama, alam mo, mabuti ang masamang tao mga yan.
I wish them to answer that. I can say, I can see this right. Even to my friends in Cebu, or to the press that meron akong makita sa mga dangerous, that I would advise, my friend, you should go to the place. Depart muna ka dyan sa bahay mo. Just for me, even just 1 week lang. And when they listen, walang mangyari. But pag they do not listen.
So, ibig sabihin, pagtingin mo sa isang tao, alam mo kung ano ang more or less pagkatao mo.
I would say yes.
Naku, parang ang sarap tanungin sila, paano kung sige.
I would rather say that your psychic abilities is, I would say, is stronger than the common yung mga psychic. So because you have the deepest part of your heart realization. So when that means to say, you know that there is something which is beyond the normal deep inside. So that means to say, you have that realization, but the only thing now, so I would only say na mas to read them according to what I see, I would just request na ikaw na lang mag-read sa kanila.
Bigla ko natawag. Hindi naman. I was just kasi syempre, like when you see a person and sasabi mo nga na itong taon na ito ay doon ka dinala, di ba? Iniukuhan ka. Kasi, syempre, ang isang psychic ay hindi pwede maging psychic sa sarili niya. Di ba, no? So, ano ang nakita mo na sort of, kasi syempre ginigage mo ang tao eh. So, nitingnan ko kasi kung ano ang nagbukas sa iyo. Di ba, meron tayong perception, meron tayong discernment, meron pa iba, like, nakikita ko ang hindi nakikita, parang gano'n. So, sa'yo nakikita mo ba yung ibang elements, yung ibang spirits? Nakikita mo rin?
Yes, and in fact, I am teaching how to see particles of light.
Oo.
Particles of light, elementals.
Oo.
Because the people would be also proficient in discerning elementals, because many people are believers of elementals. So they do not know how to test that elementals.
Mabuti mo
So
sila.
you should be able to see elementals, because elementals, more of the elementals are on their early stage of life development. So, but they are mischievous. Many are mischievous. They are pretending they are powerful, but in fact they are not powerful. But people are with certain system, the people can see elementals because they are lights. That's why, yung doon sa site, we can picture many orbs. Then the people say, why you have many orbs in the photos? Because we know how to sometimes to manipulate energies just to align with the frequency of that elementals.
Pero minsan we have to be careful about orbs kasi kung open air tayo niyan, minsan yan yung mga seeds ng grass na at saka dust particles din.
Yes.
Kasi, syempre, nandun tayo sa may farmland. Kaya karamihan sa open air, napakaraming orbs. No?
Yeah, that's true.
Okay. Mabalik tayo kasi what I'm trying to know is when you perform the art of life, no? And you tell me you develop, kaya syempre tiyatanong ng mga tao rin na anong nadidevelop. So anong nakikita mo, like for example, ano pa bukod sa tinuturo mo, hindi ba dapat hindi lahat ng tao tutulungan? Kasi may mga taong yun nga kanina biro ko, di ba? Naghahanap akong may mentoran. Hindi ko makita sino yung dapat. Kasi yan yung sinasabi mo kanina, kaya I was keeping quiet. Kasi deep in my heart, there are secrets that I cannot just partake.
That's true.
These are secrets na hindi ko alam saan nanggaling, but it has been part of my practice. Maybe part of my learnings. And nilagay sa akin na hindi ko basta-basta ituturo. Kasi depende sa puso ng tao, depende sa pagkatao. So, paano? Katulad yan, tinuturoan mo sila. So, paano?
Mayroon mga, just like for example, in my case, I am teaching an Art of Life 172. So, with that lesson, definitely, mayroong part dyan na hindi maturo. Because even you try whatever ways you have, you are going to apply, that cannot be transferred to anyone.
So, paano yun?
That's why I said the realization of the person to the activation of the heart wisdom. Because only heart wisdom can discern and control the mystery of life. Because by human understanding, of course, mystery will remain mystery. But with the activation of your heart wisdom, mystery will be solved. So, in your part, this is not a speculation, but I doubt if you can find a person that will fit on that activation, because that is you. So meaning the you will not be transferred to another entity or another beings, whatever a kind of heart, but that will be only transferred to you, to the Ari Rio, which is also you.
Mahirap, ano?
Malito yung mga tao.
Nalilito yung tao, pero naiintindihan.
Yes, I know. Okay. Because what you mean is deep inside, that is part of the real you. So you have your heart wisdom activation. That's why when we do actualization, conversion, collection, illustration, or we share this information to the people, not just only here in the Philippines, but all over the world, now people will understand the way how you talk, because you can see what is the precise lessons that you are going to share. Then you also can explain what is the precise reasoning that the people will understand. That's why I share it to the friends, brothers and sisters, even I will use thousands of books, but I'll use according to. So that means to say it's difficult to realize because different books, different authors, that means to say different views in life. But whereas it needs only one lesson to teach or to share, then the people will realize. And that is actual experience.
Okay, pero who now is, sino ngayon ang gumagawa ng Art of Life ngayon na meron ba nagtuturo dito sa Metro Manila?
There is one. Ito si Haliging Large Fire. So, he is teaching, he's sharing the Art of Life 172. And he will be staying here sa QC
Memorial Circle. Saan doon?
Saan ba doon yung QC? I do not know the address, but I will request Large Fire because she is here to speak. Where is that?
Hindi, ganito. Kayo ba ay merong website? Sa Facebook, di ba?
Yes,
Pwede
meron.
naman nilang
We
hanapin lang nila.
We have the group on Facebook, Dugukan Actual Lightship Sightings.
Dugukan Actual Lightship Sightings.
If you will type Dugukan Actual Lightship Sightings, they can see the group. Then there is also a group in Manila, the Art of Life 172. Just type Art of Life 172, then makita nila doon.
So they can inquire through that.
Yes.
Use for free?
For free. We do not charge this activities because
Gaano katagal ang activity na ito kapag nag-aaral? At saka anong oras?
so their schedules is the schedules are Thursday and Sunday every 6 p.m. to until 7 p.m.
1 hour lang.
Yeah. So anyone that would like to join the exercise of the Art of Life 172 can contact Large Fire. So they are having their activities at UC
Quezon
Circle.
City Memorial Circle.
Then I think I would give the number of Large Fire for inquiries if they are interested
Sige, bigyan
to
mo.
observe. So the number, cell phone number of Large Fire is 0926-4386122. So I will repeat, 0926-438-6122.
Okay. Maraming salamat, Solon and Steven, for coming. At mukhang naubos na yung ating oras. Ayaw mo sa susunod, maaari tayo magdala ng mga videos din natin sa susunod para makita nila yung actual na light ships. Thank you again.
Thank you very much also for giving this opportunity, and our pleasure that we have this opportunity with you.
Okay. Susunod po sa atin, si Ms. Norma Marco ng Perfect Nights.
Thank you so much.